Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you are looking for simple and stylish bar stools for your home, then I would definitely check out this set here from HeuGah. First of all, I just think they look absolutely gorgeous. I love their simple and clean design. They are a metal base, which is very sturdy, and they have this faux leather cushion, which is just beautiful. It is buttery soft and super comfortable. So these were pretty easy to put together. I was able to do it myself and it didn't take very long. The simple, clean design on these stools makes them really versatile, and you can fit them in with so many different styles of decor. These come in a variety of sizes and colors. I got the 24-inch counter height in brown. These work perfectly for my home bar area and for my kitchen island. I found these to be super well made and really sturdy. There is a built-in footrest at the bottom, which I really appreciate, especially because I am not very tall, and it really helps to be able to prop my feet up on something. One of my absolute favorite features is the adjustable feet. This came really in handy for me because my floors are a little bit uneven, but I was able to level out these chairs by adjusting the feet really simply, and now they are perfectly stable. So I just really love the look of these bar stools. I think they're so beautiful. I love that they are so well made, very well stitched, and really comfortable. So if you're looking for some simple, stylish, easy to put together, easy to clean bar stools, then I would definitely look into these from HeuGah. I am super pleased with them, and that's my point of view.